Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy Ninja Foodi applesauce. Very simple to make, all in the pot of your Ninja Foodi in minutes. And I've got my daughter,
Cora,
helping me out today because we have been learning all about apples in homeschool and measuring. So the first thing you're going to need are your ingredients: 3 pounds of Granny Smith apples, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed, 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So the first thing that we need to do is weigh
your apples.
Because we need 3 pounds of apples.
It was tricky.
Yes, this was a little bit tricky to do on our little kitchen scale, but we did do this at the store too, so we know we have 3 pounds, but just to do some extra learning practice, we're weighing it again. So she has got those all weighed, ready to go in a little tower, and now we're going to go ahead and peel the apples. So we used a apple peeler that I found on Amazon, which I'll link to below. This was an easy thing to do. Now you do need to give some oversight because it is pretty sharp to get those apples on. So I put the apples on and then she peeled them, and it comes out spiraled. So it's kind of fabulous actually, but you can also do this by hand as well and just peel, core, and slice your apples. I've done it both ways. It works just as good either way. So now she has got these all sliced, and she is going to show you here what it looks like whenever you pull it out. So it's spiraled. Did you like this part?
Yeah.
So this was her favorite part, was getting these peeled. So once we've got them all in the pot of the Ninja Foodi, we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So you're going to add 1/4 cup of
brown sugar
and 1 cup of
water.
So
Cinnamon,
nutmeg and
vanilla extract.
So we have got our brown sugar and our water in there. And then she's going to add in the cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. And I'm going to help her a little bit with that part. Just trying to avoid it all over my counter, but she thought it was fun. So she is definitely my girl that likes to make a mess. So we have got all of this in there. You don't have to stir it or do anything extra. She's going to put the whole thing right into the pot of the Ninja Foodi. So now she's got that. And she's going to grab the wrong lid. But you want to grab the additional lid, not that one, but the one that comes with it, the pressure cooker lid. And then you're going to set the nozzle to seal and cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. So remember, when you're cooking, to add in that pressure time makes it kind of like waiting 15 minutes for it to get done, even though it's cooking for 5. So once it's done, you will quickly release it by moving the nozzle to vent, and then you're going to stir it up so that all that cinnamon and nutmeg gets mixed really well in there. And then we like to go ahead and pour this into mason jars with an airtight lid. You can use any of your type of Tupperware, whatever you want to use, as long as it's got an airtight lid. And then we store ours right in the fridge. So this is a great little activity to do with your kids. You can go out and apple pick with the family and then come home and make some batches of applesauce. And it's so easy right in the Ninja Foodi. So did you have fun with this?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? The peeling?
Yeah.
The peeling the apples. And the eating, of course. It's always good to eat it. So she has this all done. That's my daughter, Cora, and we learned all about apples, all about cooking and measuring, and then we had a nice little treat to eat when we were done, too. So we have got this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com, where you can find a ton of recipes, including this one. And this is what the applesauce looks like all done. We also added a little bit of cinnamon on top, too. So check out all of these recipes over on mommyhatescooking.com. And what do you want to say?
Make sure to
like
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much for joining in today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.